Hi everyone, Christina with Healthy Blessed Family. I'm coming to you from outside because it's a really nice day, and so I just wanted to come on and show you what I did for my meal prep this week. I didn't do a lot because we have a busy weekend, a busy week ahead, so I chose a lot of simple stuff to help. If you've been around a while, you know that my family loves cabin sauce. So the sausage and the cabbage is ready to go. Makes it super quick, easy skillet meal sometime this week. I made 3 of these. These are going to be my breakfast for 3 mornings, and it's the lemon and blueberry oats. And then I also made a Sweet Dreams cookie bowl oatmeal. And then I think the other days I'm just having eggs and veggies for lettuce. I also prepped up 2 salads in a jar for my lunches. The other ones I'm having is the Cream and Crunch apple tuna salad from Term Healthy Table, and what's the other thing? Oh, a strawberry balsamic salad sometime this week. So that's why I also did up the strawberries. So these are already ready to eat, and they're in my jars. I went ahead and took care of my lettuce. So I have like 3 bags of lettuce right now. And I wrap them in paper towel in a Ziploc bag, and that helps it stay good for a lot longer. And then I also made 3 of these protein boxes. Has chicken, grapes, and 1 tablespoon of goji berries. So that's 3 of my snacks right there. Another one that I'm doing is like a mozzarella stick and chopsticks. So like if you're really busy, like I am as a busy mom, it makes it really easy to do that. Sorry, I keep changing sunglasses. Anyway, I just wanted to come on here super quick because it's a really busy weekend. I hope you're doing well, and let me know if you're prepping anything in your home to make your week easier. That's one of the reasons why I love salads in a jar, because I can just grab it, toss the lettuce in, toss everything else in, mix it up, and it's ready for me to eat. That's one of the reasons why I do that. I focused on snacks, breakfast, and lunch this week. So remember, you don't have to prep everything, but you can prep things that are going to bless you or your family throughout the week to make it easier. So have a great day. Bye.